There are two kinds of people in this world. Some wait for others' approval every single day, and others make themselves so valuable that the world has no choice but to respect them. The question is, do you want to live a life controlled by others, or do you want to become a high-value person? Here are 17 laws that can raise your value so high the world won't just notice you, it'll feel incomplete without you. Law 1. Purpose. The biggest tragedy is not poverty, it's living without a purpose. Nelson Mandela spent years in prison, but never let go of his purpose, freedom. That made him high value. Law 2. Self-respect. Without self-respect, no success feels good. High-value people don't trade dignity for temporary benefits. Law 3. Time. Time isn't gold, it's a diamond. Elon Musk plans every minute. That's why he runs Tesla, SpaceX, and Starlink at the same time. Law 4. Decisions. Weak people can't decide. High-value people do. Steve Jobs didn't give up after being fired from Apple. His decision brought him back as the world's top innovator. Law 5. Relationships. Show me your 5 closest friends, I'll show you your future. High-value people choose quality over quantity, like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. Law 6. Knowledge. They never stop learning. From books, experiences, and wise people, knowledge is their fuel for growth. Law 7. Health. Without health, wisdom and wealth are useless. A strong body builds a strong mind. Law 8. Expression. 85% of success comes from communication. High-value people speak with power, body language, and impact. Their words stick forever. Law 9. Calmness. True strength is staying calm under pressure. Their silence speaks louder than noise. Law 10. Courage. Success lies on the other side of fear. High-value people move forward, even when afraid. Law 11. Ego control. They admit mistakes. Ego blocks growth, but humility builds leaders. Law 12. Money. Money is a tool, not a master. Respect it, use it for purpose, not show off. Respect creates wealth. Wealth doesn't always create respect. Law 13. Spirituality. They stay close to their creator. Faith and purity of intention protect them from arrogance. Law 14. Contribution. The richest person is the one who enriches others. Their service keeps their impact alive long after they're gone. Law 15. Hard work. There are no shortcuts. Consistent effort turns dreams into reality. Law 16. Privacy. They keep their personal life private. Silence protects, oversharing destroys. Law 17. Legacy. People die, but their influence lives on. High-value people build legacies that keep them alive in the hearts of generations. So remember, high-value people are not respected by luck. They create their own value through purpose, knowledge, health, hard work, and character. Now, the choice is yours. Will your life pass without a mark? Or will your name live on long after you're gone?